In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Keeper security work. Think of Keeper as your encrypted vault for logins, passwords, and sensitive notes. It uses a zero-knowledge end-to-end encryption model, which means only you can decrypt your data with your master password. With that in mind, let's walk through how to use it effectively from start to finish. First, create your Keeper account. Download the app or open the web vault, then choose a strong master password you can remember but others can't guess. A long passphrase made of random words is a great option. This master password never leaves your device, so store it securely and avoid reusing it anywhere else. During setup, follow the prompts to configure recovery options that Keeper provides so you have a safe way to get back into your vault if needed. Next, save your logins. In your vault, add a new record, then enter the website, username, and password. Use Keeper's built-in password generator to create long, unique passwords for each account. You can organize entries into folders and add notes or security questions to keep everything tidy. If you already have passwords in a browser or another manager, use Keeper's import tools to bring them in quickly, then review and clean up duplicates. Now, enable autofill. Install the Keeper browser extension and sign in to your vault. When you visit a site you've saved, Keeper will offer to fill your username and password for you. On mobile, turn on the device's autofill service for Keeper so it works across apps and websites. Always double check the website domain before autofilling to avoid lookalike or phishing pages. Strengthen your security with two-factor authentication. In Keeper settings, turn on 2FA and choose an authenticator app for the best balance of security and convenience. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key, then confirm with a one-time code. Store any backup codes in a safe place and consider adding biometric unlock on your devices for quick, secure access. Access your vault anywhere. Keeper works on desktop, mobile, and in the browser, and your encrypted data syncs across devices after you sign in. Keep your apps up to date and remember that syncing requires an internet connection, though previously synced data may be available offline depending on your settings. Finally, share passwords securely if you need to. Instead of sending passwords over email or chat, share directly from Keeper to trusted contacts. Set view only or edit permissions and revoke access anytime. That's how Keeper security works. Set it up once, save everything safely, and let it handle the rest while you stay in control.